Morning, ladies, fellas, my friends, family. How's it going? I'm leaving town, so I've got a little bit of time, not very much. I want to do a quick restoration. So I'm about to be driving for probably 2 to 3 weeks. Should be fun. But I'm thinking this screwdriver. I love these perfect handle screwdrivers. I had another one that I wanted to do, but I don't know where I put it. So we're going to do this one. Let's get to it. If you could, like, comment, subscribe. If you click that little logo down at the bottom, you can subscribe. Check out the other videos too. I got more restorations. This is a stiffer wheel for that hard to get rust. Take a seat, get comfortable, relax. I'm out of sandpaper over 320, so we're going to try steel wool. Thanks for watching. See you guys and girls on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Check out the other videos.